The functional unit of life is A. Tissue, B. Organ, C. Cell, D. Organ system. Answer: C. Cell. Who discovered the cell? A. Robert Hooke, B. Leeuwenhoek, C. Schleiden, D. Schwann. Answer: A. Robert Hooke. The powerhouse of the cell is A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Golgi body. Answer: B. Mitochondria. Genetic material in prokaryotes is A. DNA in nucleus, B. Circular DNA without nucleus, C. RNA only, D. Chromosome in nucleus. Answer: B. Circular DNA without nucleus. Cell wall in plants is made up of A. Peptidoglycan, B. Cellulose, C. Chitin, D. Protein. Answer: B. Cellulose. The brain of the cell is A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Cytoplasm. Answer: A. Nucleus. The smallest cell is found in A. Human, B. Bacteria, C. Ostrich egg, D. Fungi. Answer: B. Bacteria. Which organelle modifies and packages proteins? A. Golgi apparatus, B. Ribosome, C. Lysosome, D. Vacuole. Answer: A. Golgi apparatus. The cell theory was proposed by A. Darwin and Wallace, B. Schleiden and Schwann, C. Watson and Crick, D. Lamarck and Mendel. Answer: B. Schleiden and Schwann. The plasma membrane is composed of A. Lipid and protein, B. Protein only, C. Lipid only, D. Carbohydrate and protein. Answer: A. Lipid and protein. Ribosomes are sites of A. Photosynthesis, B. Protein synthesis, C. Respiration, D. Transpiration. Answer: B. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes are sites of A. Photosynthesis, B. Protein synthesis, C. Respiration, D. Transpiration. Answer: B. Protein synthesis. Lysosomes are also called A. Suicide bags, B. Powerhouse, C. Kitchen of cell, D. Brain of cell. Answer: A. Suicide bags. Plastids are found in A. Animal cells, B. Plant cells, C. Both, D. None. Answer: B. Plant cells. The fluid inside a cell is called A. Plasma, B. Cytoplasm, C. Nucleoplasm, D. Sap. Answer: B. Cytoplasm. The study of cells is called A. Cytology, B. Histology, C. Physiology, D. Anatomy. Answer: A. Cytology. The term protoplasm was coined by A. Purkinje, B. Robert Hooke, C. Darwin, D. Leeuwenhoek. Answer: A. Purkinje. Which part controls all cell activities? A. Nucleus, B. Cytoplasm, C. Ribosome, D. Chloroplast. Answer. A. Nucleus. The green pigment in plants is A. Hemoglobin. B. Chlorophyll. C. Carotene. D. Xanthophyll. Answer. B. Chlorophyll. Photosynthesis takes place in A. Mitochondria. B. Chloroplast. C. Cytoplasm. D. Ribosome. Answer. B. Chloroplast. ATP stands for A. Adenine triphosphate. B. Adenosine triphosphate. C. Adenine tetraphosphate. D. Adenosine tetraphosphate. Answer. B. Adenosine triphosphate. Which cell organelle is semi-autonomous? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Lysosome. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. B. Mitochondria. The site of lipid synthesis is A. Rougher. B. Smoother. C. Golgi body. D. Ribosome. Answer. B. Smoother. The cell membrane is A. Permeable. B. Impermeable. C. Selectively permeable. D. Non-permeable. Answer. C. Selectively permeable. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having A. Cell wall and chloroplast. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosomes. D. Nucleus. Answer. A. Cell wall and chloroplast. Vacuoles are large in A. Animal cells. B. Plant cells. C. Bacteria. D. Fungi. Answer. B. Plant cells.